Designed with all respirator users in mind, the AccuFIT9000 is a quantitative respirator fit testing solution for respirator users working in healthcare, emergency response, and industrial settings. The AccuFIT9000 uses proven CNC Particle Counting technology to conduct tests using ANSI, OSHA, or CSA testing protocols to deliver the fastest, most versatile fit testing experience available. The device measures particle concentration in the ambient air and inside the respirator to determine how well a respirator fits by comparing the ratio of these particle concentrations. This ratio is called the fit factor. The AccuFIT9000 can conduct respirator fit tests on disposable filtering facepiece respirators, half-mask and full facepiece respirators, tight-fitting powered air purifying respirators, CBRN respirators, and self-contained breathing apparatus. There are two primary modes of operation for the AccuFIT: standalone and PC mode. Standalone mode offers the flexibility to use the fit tester away from a PC via the touchscreen display to navigate through the fit test exercises and store records on the included USB memory device. The PC mode offers additional features with the use of the included software to manage fit test records, protocols, due dates, respirators used, and people. The standard components included with the AccuFIT respirator fit tester include an AC adapter and power cord, a zero filter, an alcohol cartridge, storage container and cap, a USB flash drive with software and manuals, a twin tube that connects the instrument to the respirator, computer cables, alcohol supplies, and a hard-sided carry case. The main unit includes the power button to turn the instrument on and off, a touchscreen to operate the system, inlet nozzles for both ambient and respirator sampling, alcohol cartridge, stylus pen, USB and LAN ports to connect PC, USB flash drive, keyboards or printers, and a cooling fan. Prior to startup, the alcohol cartridge should be recharged. Pour the included reagent-grade isopropyl alcohol into the alcohol storage container and fill to the marked level. Next, insert the alcohol cartridge into the alcohol storage container and lock in place. The felt in the cartridge will then absorb the alcohol and can be used in the device after a few minutes. Once recharged, remove the cartridge from the storage container and insert it into the AccuFIT. Be sure to secure the storage cap to the alcohol storage container when the instrument is in use to prevent spills, and ensure that the alcohol does not absorb moisture or evaporate. When the AccuFIT is turned on, the main screen for both standalone and PC mode will provide access to the following activities: Fit test, to perform a respirator fit test. Validation check, to conduct a system check prior to daily fit testing activities. Real-time measurements for both ambient and mask sampling. Access to administration functions and access to setup functions. Within the administration menu, users can access people, to add or delete people from the database, respirators, to add or delete respirators, protocols, to select the test protocol, fit test reports, to display fit test results, select database, to load a database, and toolbox for advanced database functions. Within the setup menu, users can access printer setup, to configure printer settings, communication, to establish USB, LAN, and Wi-Fi communications, settings, to adjust preferred language, date and time adjustments, touchscreen calibration, and device info to access information such as serial number and calibration date. To begin testing, turn on the device to display the main activity screen. A validation check will need to be performed to confirm that the AccuFIT is operating properly and the environment is suitable for fit testing. Be sure that the device is operated on a level surface. If using in standalone mode, insert the USB flash drive that has been configured with the required database information. Select Validation Check. Select the desired database from the drop-down menu and tap Load. Once the database has been successfully loaded, select Validation Check. Next, remove the HEPA filter from the sample line and tap Start to begin the validation check to verify that the particle concentration in the ambient air is high enough to perform a fit test. An ambient count of 1,000 particles per cubic centimeter or more is required to perform this test. A particle generator is available as an accessory for environments that contain less than this amount. When this is complete, proceed to the zero check by attaching the HEPA filter and tap Next. When the zero check is complete, the AccuFit will calculate a fit factor with the HEPA filter and provide a test passed message. The validation check is automatically saved to the database. Tap OK, then tap Exit to proceed to the main Activities menu. You are now ready to conduct a respirator fit test. Have the person being tested don the respirator and perform user seal checks by themselves and confirm that they are wearing the mask properly. Prior to the respirator fit test, connect the respirator to the sample inlet of the device with the appropriate fit test adapter and twin tube. To begin the fit test, tap Fit Test from the Activity menu. Select the individual's name from the pull-down menu and tap Next. New names can be added by tapping the New button that allows their data to be entered. The next step is to choose the respirator. Select the respirator make, model, and size from the drop-down menu and tap Next. Select the appropriate protocol, enter the operator's initials, and tap Next. The display will now advance to the Fit Test screen. Tap Start to begin the respirator fit test. The instrument will now guide you through the respirator fit testing exercises. Once complete, the fit test record is saved to the database on the USB flash drive. Tap OK to confirm that the test is saved, and then tap New Test to proceed to the next fit test, or Exit if no additional fit testing is required. To turn off the AccuFit, press and hold the power button until it flashes red. You will then be asked to confirm that you would like to shut down the device. Tap Yes to complete the shutdown. After use, the alcohol cartridge must be removed from the instrument, reinserted into the alcohol storage container for safe storage and transport. To keep the inside of the instrument clean, cover the cartridge inlet with the storage cap. The AccuFIT9000 respirator fit tester is now available. Additional information on the AccuFIT9000 can be found in the manuals included with the instrument or at AccuTec-IHS.com. Users are encouraged to read and understand all instructions and cautions described in the manual prior to operation of the AccuFIT9000.